Hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot, and now this time I'm doing the reading for career, health, finances and love. So I'll do the love reading separately as I usually do, but this is the reading that I got so many requests for, so I have to do that, okay? I do like love you people a lot. So let's see Cancerians what's happening with you guys in your career. If you're in job, let's see if you're in job, how's your job life going to be in September? Four of Wands. Okay, it's going to be very stable. Very stable. You are going to get some kind of good news regarding your job. Might be you're changing your job or promotion. So might be you're getting a promotion. Might be you're going to get a job change. But it's going to be really stable and very happy for you. Very stable and happy for you. Job environment. Nice, beautiful. You are going to get some kind of good news. Definitely you're going to get some kind of good news regarding your job or uh, I will see for the business thing again, but yes, the job environment is going to be really stable. You are going to get some kind of promotion, okay, and or recognition or reward or something like that. Nice, it's beautiful. 11 for you in your career, Cancerians. And for business, if you are doing some kind of business, 10 of Wands. You will be under constant pressure. You will be under constant pressure of making the business work out. Okay, you are taking so much of responsibilities, Cancerians, right now regarding your business that you are not able to handle these. So my advice to you is that please share the responsibilities with other people, okay, or hire somebody or hire a manager or assistant or something like that. And if you can't do it, just take it slow. Take it one step ahead. Like create a ladder of success. Don't overdo. Don't burn yourself. Okay, so in business you are going to feel under pressure, under constant pressure, and you are overdoing. You are making yourself stressed and you are making yourself like feel like hell right now because you're taking so much of responsibilities that you're not able to handle. Okay, yes, cool. Now coming to health part, let's see Gemini, how's your health going to be? Cards are just flowing for you today, Gemini. I'm not able to shuffle even. King of Wands, exceptionally passionate. You are going to travel a lot, exceptionally passionate. So in September, your health is going to be really good. Really good. You are going to travel a lot. Might be you are going to travel for your. I am not. I don't know why I'm getting some kind of written thing, exams or something like that. You are traveling and you are very passionate about this thing, and it's going to be really good for you. You are going to enjoy the travel. You are going to enjoy the journey rather than the you know rather than the final part of the thing. Okay, so you are going to be really passionate and your health is going to be really good in the first part. Let's see about the second and the last part, middle and the last part of September. Middle part, Queen of Cups. Wow, emotionally stable. Emotionally stable. You will be like finally in a healthy state of mind, in a healthy relationship with yourself. You will be emotionally stable. You'll be like, yeah, okay, although I have lots of love for blah blah blah, but I am now experiencing maturity, and I'll balance my emotions. I'll not do anything, like I will not overdo anything. I will not let these emotions be capturing my mind and capturing my life and all that. So whatever emotions you are dealing with right now, you are going to feel emotionally stable in your life and healthy. You will be in a healthy relationship with yourself, and that is the most important thing, Cancerians. By the end of September, Three of Wands, waiting for some kind of results. Waiting for some kind of results. Although it is health related reading for you guys right now, but it is becoming most career oriented reading right now. You are just waiting for something to happen. So might be you just took. So again, I feel like according to your health, you gave some kind of test or you had some kind of test and you were waiting for the results. So for example, if you are diabetic, you gave some kind of diabetic test. It is related to the health thing, okay? It's not related to some kind of career oriented test or something like that. For most of you it is also possible, but for another part, another people, another section of people right now, I feel like who are above 40 or above 35, you are just waiting for the test results of your health, and the results are going to be positive. You don't have to worry about that. So in the later part of September, I feel like you're going a little down in your health, so you have to take care of yourself, okay? If especially if you're a BP patient or heart patient or diabetic or something like that, please take care of yourself. Cool. Let's see how is your finances going to be. Cancerians, how's your finances going to be? Three cards for your finances. Okay, equal give and take of finances. Money is coming, money is going out. Money is coming, money is going out. So it's like the first 10 days, it's going to be like, yeah, money is coming to you, but they are going as quickly as they are coming. Middle part is like, middle part is the 10 of Pentacles. The middle part of September regarding your finances is really good, really, really good. You are going to get some kind of, money that was stuck might be, or you are going to get some positive results from your savings or some from your investment or something like that, but you are going to get some kind of good money. That's good money coming towards you in the middle part of September. And by the end of September, Ace of Swords. Yes, Ace of Swords is like you are going to get some kind of success after lots of hard work regarding your finances. So you might be very, very conflicted regarding some kind of investment or saving or some kind of work or job, whatever you are doing. You are going to get success, but it will be after lots of conflicts, after lots of ups and downs, and after lots of toxicity, after lots of stress. Finally, you are going to get it. Okay, finally you are going to make it. So be patient, you are going to make it, and financially it's going to be really good for you. But first part is like equal give and take of money. Okay, second part is really good for you. You are going to get lots of money, lots of financial stability. I'm not saying that you are going to be a millionaire or billionaire. It's your hard earned money that you are getting from somewhere. And in the later part, last part of September, it's going to be successful for you, but after lots of fights and conflicts. Cool. Now coming to your love and relationship sector. If you're single, let me see what's happening with you. I'll do the detailed video in the next section. And if you're in a relationship, okay, if you're single, you're going to get a message from somebody. Get a message from somebody, or somebody is interested in you. They might ask for date, or they might just ask for, yeah, let's catch up for a coffee or something like that. Okay, if you're single, you're going to get some kind of message. So I'm not clarifying here, but yes, I feel like it is from the past person. Okay, and if you're in a relationship, you guys are going to be solid, in a solid and committed relationship. You are going to take it to the next level. Cancerians, you are going to take this relationship to the next level. This is what is happening with you. So I'll do the detailed reading for love and relationship in the next video for you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, see ya.